Be honest, how often do you check your phone? Every 10 minutes? Maybe less? You tell yourself it's just a quick look, but hours vanish and you wonder, where did your day go? This isn't just habit, it's design. Apps are built to hijack your attention. Bright colors, endless scrolls, constant notifications. They're engineered to keep you hooked. But here's the good news. You can take back control, and science has your back. First, switch your phone to high grayscale. A study in the Journal of Behavioral Addictions found that users who did this reduced their screen time by 20 minutes daily. Colors stimulate your brain's reward system. Removing them makes your phone less enticing. Second, set app limits. Google's digital well-being tools let you cap usage. Research shows that setting boundaries increases self-awareness and reduces compulsive checking. Third, turn off non-essential notifications. A study by the University of California found that constant alerts increase stress and decrease productivity. Fewer pings mean fewer distractions. Fourth, schedule phone-free periods. Start with 30 minutes before bed. Blue light disrupts sleep patterns, and late-night scrolling fuels anxiety. Finally, replace screen time with meaningful activities. Read a book, take a walk, meditate. Engaging in offline activities boosts mental health and reduces the urge to check your phone. Remember, it's not about quitting your phone, it's about using it intentionally. Small changes lead to big results. Start today and reclaim your time and focus. This is Roddy Guy. We believe real change starts right here. We're all about results, not just motivation. If you think the same way, hit subscribe.